In this video, I will share with you how to connect a subdomain to your website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites, click on Websites List. Now click on this Edit Website button next to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder. This is mine. Before that, I will check it live. As you see, this is my website and it still uses the temporary domain. Now to connect a subdomain to this website, it's simple. Click on Edit Website, then go to Connect Domain, hit Change Domain, and here fill in your subdomain. For example, in my case, we'll go with book.benstutorial.com. As you see, free subdomain, click on yes, then hit this next button. Now my domain or subdomain is added to my website. Click on continue. This is just the first part of connecting your subdomain to your website on Hostinger Website Builder. The next part is going to your domain provider and tell them to start pointing to this website on Hostinger Website Builder. To do this, just log into your domain provider account. It may be GoDaddy, Bluehost, or any other domain name provider. In my case, my domain is already registered with Hostinger, so I will jump to my Hostinger account to do the necessary. I will go to H panel, then go to domains. This is my domain name. Click on manage. What you should looking for here is this word, DNS or name servers. It means the same. Click on it. This domain name is pointing to Bluehost and it should be pointing to Hostinger Website Builder. To do this, click on change name servers, delete the default one and use the Hostinger name servers. This is the first one. Copy it like that. Personally, I can select use Hostinger name servers and they will use these two name servers. But I want to edit them manually to help you see the process. If your domain name is not registered with Hostinger. Now click on save. Name servers changed. This action, which means editing your name servers, can take up to 24 hours in order for the domain to propagate to the new name servers. This means you need to wait up to 24 hours in order to fully connect your domain name with Hostinger Website Builder. And when I say domain name, I mean also your subdomain. Now click on close. Let's go back to my website builder. This is the this is the website with my subdomain. Click on edit website. Now let's try to visit my subdomain. As you see, it is still propagating. At this step, just be patient. Everything will connect together. Just give your website or give your subdomain a little bit of time to fully to start working. So here, just be patient. Just make sure that you fill in your correct domain, and on your domain provider side, make sure to fill in the correct Hostinger name servers and wait. And in less than 10 minutes, my subdomain started pointing or fully connected with my website in Hostinger Website Builder.